Man, these Jarritos sodas, man, when I say top tier, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm a fan of this mandarin flavor too. I never tried the mandarin flavor. But enough about that, man. This ain't no soda review channel. This ain't no, you know what I'm saying, food review. I didn't revamp the channel to do food reviews and soda reviews. Still strictly sneakers, clothes, sneaker events, all that good stuff, man. So, with all that being said, man, got some special heat in the studio for y'all today, man. Got a pair that I've been wanting since I first, well, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I didn't know if I cared for it when I first saw it, but then after like seeing, you know, more and more pictures of it, and then, you know, when it finally did release, tried to get on sneakers, tried to skateboard shops, all that good stuff, wasn't able to hit on none of that. But I did have to pay a little resale. Price wasn't too crazy, but you know, hey, it is what it is. I got it in my collection now. Thought UPS was trying to, you know what I'm saying, finesse me, because they supposed to been here, honestly. But I don't know what happened with the driver, and I wanted to drive to my apartment to drop these. I don't know what happened. Between all that good stuff, man, they finally here in hand. I got them here. And if you don't know by now, you know what I'm saying, if you ain't, you know, don't know what it is after seeing this soda, or don't know what it is yet, that sneaker I'm talking about is a Nike SB Dunk Low Jarritos. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all. Now, you know I had to, you know what I'm saying, start the video off my little intro. I gotta have that every video. But enough about that, man. Y'all, I know what y'all here for. Y'all here for these sneakers, man. And me personally, I am a major fan of these sneakers, man. After getting them in hand, definitely changed my whole outlook on that. So off the jump, man, you got this real nice all over cream colored box. The Nike SB branding all over the top of the box, as well as on the side of the box right here. The Nike SB side doesn't really say nothing besides, you know, it's typical stuff that most Nike boxes say. But the size tag does read Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS. Colorway is Phantom, safety orange, and it is a size 11, which is my personal size. Y'all can see that right there. Get that focus in, you know what I'm saying? This is a personal pair. This is my pair to keep. This is my pair to rock. So I don't plan on getting rid of these no time soon. If I do plan on getting rid of them, but that's a different story for a different video. But yeah, like I said, these joints, they stand in my collection. I've jumped, man. This colorway is so cold to me, bro. Cause like it's not too many shoes that have like this kind of, you know what I'm saying, details, colorway and everything on. You know, you don't really see a sandy brown kind of color with like, you know, this green and white, this cream color. What I mean, yeah, it's white. You don't really see, you don't really see that too often on sneakers. And me personally, I'm rocking with that. You know what I'm saying? I like that. I like how the back of this sneaker right here, you got the Jarritos, you know, branding right there, the logo. So this is a collab with Jarritos. I didn't even know that, you know, there was that popping to have a collab with Nike like that. So that's another thing that's pretty dope in my opinion. You know, this is SB, so it has that puffy tongue. You know, it also has that logo right there, that Nike SB logo with the Jarritos logo as well. So that's another little dope, you know what I'm saying, little touch in my personal opinion. I like that. I'm rocking with that, man. But you know what I'm saying, the shoes, the details in these shoes, in my personal opinion, they went all out with these. I can see why they called them a QS, because definitely went all out with the details, colorway, material, all that good stuff, man. This is one of them shoes that I'm glad to have in my collection. One of these ones that didn't really, when they first dropped, when they first talked about it, I didn't really care too much about it. But after they started doing like, you know, more pictures, more looks, on foot looks, all that good stuff, I was like, yeah, this is a shoe that I really want to have. You know, I want to rock, you know, I want to put something on with, wear these out, do whatever with them. You do get your extra laces as well. You got a green pair of laces, a cream white pair of laces right there, and you also got an orange pair of laces. So that's another little dope little touch in my personal opinion they added with these sneakers. You know, you got the extra laces, and also was a cool little touch to me. Let me get these out real quick. The insole on these, it's different, man. Like, it ain't so typical, you know, Nike insole. Like, this is like make sure it's not gonna be hard to get out, but this is like, you know what I'm saying, something different, man. Like, get these up there for y'all. This insole right here is so dope to me. Get the different flavors of Jarritos in there, the logo, all that good stuff, and then right there at the bottom, Nike SB X Jarritos. So That's and I might be butchering this name, you know what I'm saying? Spanish ain't my go-to language, so I can't, you know what I'm saying? If I'm saying it wrong, y'all let me know in the comments down below if I'm not saying it right, you know what I'm saying? Jarritos, I gotta roll my R a little bit, Jarritos, you know what I'm saying? I know a little something, a little Spanish, man.
Boy, if you don't...
Enough about that though, man. Let me get back into these sneakers, man. One of my top pairs of the year so far, man. Honestly, truly, like after seeing them in hand, these might just be the SB of the year. Now, you can call me crazy, call me a hype beast, call me what you want to call me, but what other SB that came out or is coming out this year do you think is gonna top these? Now, I know we getting the Travis Scott SBs back again, you know what I'm saying, later on this year, but those niggas already released. They had their time. Yeah, they still expensive. They still up there. They still high on the list of SBs that people want. But it already, you know what I'm saying, it already had its release. It already had its spotlight. So these, for this year, you know what I'm saying, me personally, besides the Travis Scotts, but me personally, I don't think any other SB that's coming out this year or that's came out this year is touching the Jarritos SBs, because the colorway, the details, the material, you know what I'm saying? You got that nice little orange and green bottom right there. That's real nice. And then another dope touch about these that, you know, a lot of SBs have been doing, well, sneakers in general have been doing it, but SBs are really known for doing it, is having this material. It's kind of like this rough, sandy, well, it's a sandy colorway, but it's like this rough, like sack kind of material. And then like it's a tearaway material as well. So you can cut this off and it reveals another layer of sneaker under that material. So you got like a whole nother colorway on the bottom of it. I'm not for sure what color it is. I haven't seen too many pairs that had to cut up, you know what I'm saying, Jarritos dunks, but I do know it's like another like layer of material behind it. Like anything that's like this rough kind of material, especially on this swoosh right here, on this part right here, like all this right here is tearaway. So whatever that material is behind it, I'm not for sure, or even what color it is, but I don't plan on cutting these up. But if you got these, you know what I'm saying, your collection, you have cut them up, you plan on cutting them up, let me know. Or even if you've seen the cut up here, let me know in the comments down below how that pair would look, or how that pair does look, what color it is beneath this this kind of cutaway material. But overall, man, one of them sneakers that I'm finally glad to have in my collection. We'll be putting these on, we'll be rocking these. Like I said, this is a personal pair, so this ain't going nowhere no time soon, man. These stand with me for the long haul, just know that. But as always, man, listen, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning in to my channel, you know what I'm saying, getting my views up. Got more sneaker reviews on the way, got a couple of sneaker events, and got a vintage events coming up I'm going to soon too, for y'all people who like, you know, like thrifting, or like y'all ones who like, like vintage shirts, clothes, you know, anything that's vintage. If y'all into that kind of stuff, I got an event I'm going to pretty soon coming up, so we'll be doing some recording there. We'll get y'all like some good little looks at different booths and tables out here, so y'all better look out for that video, because that's coming soon. But like I said, more sneaker reviews coming, more videos coming, more all that coming, so y'all just stay tuned, man. You know what I'm saying, y'all rocking with me. And also don't forget, man, when y'all see these videos, man, make sure y'all smashing that like button, y'all smashing that subscribe button, and turn the notification bell on, y'all telling a friend to tell a friend, and make sure that one friend tell another friend. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.